This is a magic box. To open it, we need to say the magic words. Abracadabra, let's play. Can you say the magic words with me?
Yes!
Abracadabra, let's play.
Wow!
Let's see what's in the box. It is a red tractor.
Hooray!
It is a blue tractor.
Hooray!
It is a yellow tractor.
Hooray!
It is a green tractor.
Hooray!
It is an orange tractor.
Hooray!
It is a purple tractor.
Great!
There are so many toys.
Hooray!
Remember to subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye!